Hey, I'm Amy Feller with Feller Roofing, the home of the Roofer Chick. Today we're doing another project highlight, and this one was in New Braunfels. It was actually on the hill, and it started as a repair bid. We went out there because the customer had a leak inside their house. We went up in the attic and we found the source of the leak, but when we were looking at their roof, we noticed that it had storm damage. We encouraged the homeowner to call their insurance company. Their insurance company came out and covered a full replacement. So we tore off the entire roof and put on a new roof. This is a Timberline HDZ shingle, and the color is weathered wood. About 50% of the work we do when we're doing full roof replacements does end up being an insurance job. So if you're having a roofing issue, our estimates are free. Call us out. We'll take a look at your entire roof and give you an assessment of where you're at and what we think you might be able to do. Thanks for watching today's Project Spotlight. My name is Amy with Feller Roofing, home of the Roofer Chick.